Got Yanni and Chris Strathy, the Capable Carpenter, here showing me the secrets of the universe. Verse. Out here in North Carolina mountains. And this beautiful girl, she came all the way from California? Mm-hmm. Wow. Wheatland, California.
It was full-time home for
6 months.
6 months.
For 6 kids. Right?
No,
I don't.
Me.
Just you. Oh, the Navajo storm pattern from the 1956 Cardinal, completely rebuilt. Beautiful, beautiful. The screen. I like they make these removable and replaceable because my kids are difficult on things, but very nice. Flagstone vinyl. Oh, look at that. Look at that red oven. You can cook some yummy food there. Oh, wow. Oh, I like the little birch. It matches the frame on here. And these little railings to put stuff behind there without having to have doors and wonder where everything went. Place for the fly rod. You gotta have a place for the rod there. And there's the bed. Looks very comfy. Oh, more of that birch. See, somebody was giving this some love. A hook, and a very important place for a hook for a hat. I wonder if this is the original. It's got that nice rounded edge. It sure looks original. The ice chest. Furnace down there. Oh, look at this. That's a great place to put shoes. Nice skin rug of some sort. I'm not sure I want to know what animal that is. Oh, but what fun finding fabric that matches and a reading light. A turbo fan. You gotta have a good fan in these things. Oh, it's birch. It's sewed birch on that light. That's wall socket there. Oh, it's like real birch. Now that's great. I like the edges on this table. I hadn't noticed that before. Holding it up with a birch stick. That birch theme is just great. It goes with the wallpaper and everything. How fun. Oh, and then there's me. Oh, what a lovely camper. Supposedly this will be Airbnb soon. UncleMud.com for more of the same.